Today I have some great Tesla news. Just this morning we received the Q4 2021 production and deliveries for Tesla, and it has some exciting details. Let's dig in. So we have some big Tesla delivery news today. I'm happy to share it with you. Today, 2021 fourth quarter, Tesla delivered 308,600 units. And they produced in that same quarter 305,840 units. That is a huge number. To put that into perspective, Wall Street thought that Tesla would produce 266,000 units. That is a difference of, drumroll please, 42,600 units. Wow, that is a huge beat in terms of what Wall Street thought they would make and what they actually made. How did they get it so wrong? To put this into perspective, in Q3 of 2021, Tesla made 241,300 cars. That is an increase quarter over quarter of 67,300 more cars. And that's just in 3 months. That's how much they increased our production. That is a whopping 27.8% improvement quarter over quarter. Wow. That is just amazing. This beat is in spite of some serious headwinds that were definitely weighing on Tesla at every step of the way. The first of those being chip shortages, material shortages, logistics issues, Omicron, etc. The fourth quarter is usually a strong quarter for most auto manufacturers, but at the same time, there were tons of headwinds against Tesla. In addition, there was the potential EV tax credit. And what this could have done was that some people seeing the EV tax credit might have pushed their deliveries out to 2022, hoping that they could take advantage of this tax credit. In addition to these other challenges, Tesla is trying to reduce the wave of deliveries that occurs every single quarter. Here's a quote from an email Elon Musk sent out. "We still have quite a big wave of deliveries in the last few weeks of December, as we don't have high volume production in Europe or Texas, which means a lot of cars on boats from China to Europe and on trucks and or rail from California to the East Coast arriving late in the quarter. But this is nonetheless the right time to start reducing the size of the wave in favor of a steadier and more efficient pace of deliveries. The right principle is to take the most efficient action as though we are not publicly traded and the notion of end of quarter didn't exist. This makes these deliveries even more valuable, as Tesla should have lower costs per unit this quarter, and we can expect more even deliveries to occur in 2022. But let's also look at annual deliveries to kind of have an idea of where Tesla is headed. In 2020, Tesla delivered 499,550 vehicles. In 2021, Tesla delivered 930,422 vehicles. That is an increase of 86% delivery year over year. Wow. Show me another company that can do that. I think the other part that is really truly amazing is that Tesla is doing this with only a couple manufacturing facilities. They mostly produce the cars in California as well as in Shanghai. So they're doing all of this with 2 manufacturing facilities. They have another 2 on the way that are going to deliver even greater numbers of Teslas. At this point, it feels like Tesla is almost unstoppable, and this trend is only accelerating. With their 2 new manufacturing facilities coming online this year, it's hard to say where Tesla is going to end up, as they are going to ramp these extremely fast, and they are going to try and take advantage of as much production as they possibly can. This isn't even taking into account that Tesla has an order backlog that is stretching into the summer. So yeah, I am no stock analyst and don't use this as investing advice, but I do think that, if you're a Tesla investor and you have some Tesla stock, you are going to be pretty happy on Monday morning. Wow, just wow. I am so excited to see that Tesla is producing this many cars and is ramping as quickly as they can with such a difficult product to make. People think that a car is an easy thing to make, like it's just a cell phone, right? But the reality is that to make a car and to increase production this amount in such a short amount of time is really, really challenging. And my hat's off to Tesla. Just getting materials to the places to produce this many cars is a big, big challenge. and I am really impressed that Tesla has been able to pull this off. I am impressed by what Tesla has been able to accomplish in such a short amount of time. But as a manufacturing engineer, I'm not exactly shocked they were able to do it. And much of this success stems from Elon Musk's focus on manufacturing. In fact, Elon has said that manufacturing is Tesla's greatest strength. If you want to learn more about how Tesla is revolutionizing manufacturing and how you can use Tesla strategies to your own advantage, then please like, subscribe, and sign up for notifications. I am in the process of starting an in-depth look at Tesla's manufacturing strategies and how they utilize them to achieve their audacious goals. These strategies are not just effective on the factory floor, and they can easily be used in your daily life. And I want to help you see how you can use these every day. Thank you. Have a good day.